Hello, friends. This is Miss Reenie, your virtual teacher's assistant. Right now, I'm going to read you a story called Clean Up Time by Elizabeth Burdick, illustrated by Marika Heinlein. Clean up time. Can't we play a little more? It's cleanup time. Do you remember what we do? Yes, we remember. Cleanup can be quick and fun. Let's work together, everyone. Pick up toys one by one. Let's work fast to get it done. Put each item in its place and keep a smile on your face. And this little one is saying choo choo. Look, we've made neater space. But wait, is anything out of place? Look and see, use your eyes to spy. Aha! Pick it up, put it back. Hurrah! Hugs, high fives. Cleanup is done. Now it's time for more fun. The end.